Let's count it right, perfecting your English articles with numbers. Hello everyone. Welcome to another lesson on our journey through the intricate world of English grammar. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting area where numbers intersect with articles. We'll be exploring a common mistake many learners make: the unnecessary use of a or n with cardinal numbers. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and let's iron out those creases together. Before we dive into the specifics, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Cardinal numbers are what we use to count objects or people, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Articles are words like a, n, and the, which we use to indicate specificity or quantity. But here's the thing: when using cardinal numbers, we often do not need to use an article, a, or n, before them. For example, we say, I have 2 cats, not, I have a 2 cats. Now that we've understood the basic principle, let's look at some common mistakes. A lot of English learners might say, I waited for 3 hours. However, the correct sentence is, I waited for 3 hours. As you see, the article a is unnecessary here. Another common mistake is adding n before numbers that start with a vowel sound, like 8 or 11. Even though we typically use n before words that start with a vowel sound, this rule does not apply to cardinal numbers. So, we say, I have 11 apples, not, I have an 11 apples. While we generally don't use articles with cardinal numbers, there are some exceptions. We use a or n with numbers when the number is used adjectively to express a type of entity, rather than a quantity. For example, we say $100 bill because the phrase $100 is acting as an adjective to describe the type of bill. There you have it, folks. Hopefully, this video helped shed some light on the correct and incorrect uses of articles with cardinal numbers in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these rules in your daily English usage, and soon they will become second nature. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons on English grammar. Keep learning, and keep growing.